It's Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. We are at the Wooley Heights home. We're downstairs. And this is one of these cool little gitchy places here in McCall. And so we're going to do a quick video tutorial on how to use the TV down here. And so this is a TCL television paired with Dish Network and a LG Blu-ray TV. A Blu-ray TV, Blu-ray DVD player, which is right here. So straightforward, fairly simple to use. This is the remote for the television. This is the remote, the LG remote for the Blu-ray disc player. And this is the Dish Network remote. So fairly straightforward. You want to push the home button right here. You have the DVD player and satellite TV. Fairly straightforward, easy to use. DVD player. So that allows you, now this is a smart enabled DVD player, so once there's Wi-Fi in the home, you'll be able to actually use the premium channels. So Netflix, streaming, all that kind of stuff. And so if you want to use and go to the DVD player, you're going to use this little remote control. So you'll be able to scroll through different settings. Click on the movie, you want to hit enter. And that will allow you to start playing the DVD. There's a lot of movies to select from. So you have plenty of entertainment if you don't find anything specific on Direct or Dish Network. And so if you want to watch Dish Network, we got the home button right here. Go over to satellite TV, and there you go. You have the option then to change the channels. Volume control is right up here, so it's a little tricky to find that one. It took me a bit to figure out where it disappeared to. Channel buttons right here. So if you have any further questions while you are staying at Wooley Heights, you can reach out to us at DoneRight Management. Number is 208-634 0030, and hope you're having a great time while you're here. Cheers.